So she started at 7:10 and at 7:55.
Well, there you go. See which sign I didn't get you? You can see where your friends are and stalk them.
What's Facebook for?
Yeah, there's no Facebook here. That is Facebook right there, that little thing.
Yeah, that's Facebook.
That's the analog version.
So here we are, heading up towards North Brother and Fort. We decided not to do the loop and go at Ojai or OJI or whatever, so we're just going to go up and hit in North Brother and then whack, which is kind of not really a bushwhack, out to Fort, and then find the plane crash, and then come back down, out and back. So that is a new plan. Like I said, everything's changing this weekend. Might be doing Katahdin on Sunday instead of Saturday because of the weather now. Not sure what we're going to do tomorrow. So more to come.
Say the word, say the word.
You got it.
Say the word. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay.
So here's the location of the beaver attack of 2018, where Dolores got attacked by a beaver when we were coming down. This year, though, might be more of a chance of us getting attacked by a moose. It is moose season, and I think they are in the rut. Let's go check out the pond.
Seeing all the reasons we should forget about this place, but I don't wanna leave here if you're just gonna stay. Changing like the seasons, been wasting all this time. Should be like satellites cast beyond the sky. Leave our fate for another day. Riding these horizons, we'll find our way. We'll leave our fate and fade into the night. Just follow me to paradise. To say we tried. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing.
Thinking that bump over there is Fort.
Yeah, the one on the left's the summit. And then the right, people think, not sure it's not the summit, so everybody always does it. It's actually, I think it's that bump right there.
First one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what it looks called in the ground.
And then, so the plane crash, well, maybe it's right there. I thought it was over this far, over that way, but the summit is that. You'll see the radio thing when we get over there. And then there's like another bump somewhere over in here.
Well, welcome good to First names, I think.
Yeah, right there. North Brother. Failed finding the fort. Bushwhack, cut myself off pretty bad, but supposedly a herd path, and we found part of it and then lost it, and I whacked around for a while. Couldn't find it, everybody gave up. So I turned around. So anyways, next time maybe. So we're gonna head back down North Brother to the trailhead, pick up the car, and head to the Abol Campground and set up camp and have some dinner. Can't wait. I'm not sure what I'm eating yet. I got tons of food because we're car camping. So anyways, keep going.
It's just different enough that
Than the other one, than mine, yeah. Same idea. So what,
It just goes on top of the supply. It keeps the rain out. I'm thinking you go out. You have it inside out. Thing that keeps the cold off your bottom. Yeah, it's done. Kind of bummed they don't give you hardwood.
Yeah, well, last time we had the choice. She told me she was.
She said she's coming Friday night.
Yeah.
Oh.
But then the weather, I think, got worse, so who knows?
And you haven't heard from her.
No, I haven't had signal, but I had one bar on my work phone. She's probably going, who's this?
No pressure, no pressure.
Yeah, no pressure.
I'm almost more on the kind of lowlands pond exploration today. Rainy days make for kind of fun days
Oh,
at
yeah,
ponds.
because you go down to Daisy. Yeah.
The brains behind the operation right here.
Your words, not mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a more blown up version of the Kidney and Daisy photo.
So here we are, down to Kidney Pond. We were talking about doing the double. Oh, I can probably see it on the sign here. Oh no, of course not. I think it's double top. We're gonna do a traverse. I know a bunch of people doing it, and it's raining out. So we are actually, because we're going to do Katahdin tomorrow, thinking about, instead of getting all soaked today, up on a peak, we're thinking about just going out and doing some small hikes around some ponds and waterfalls and stuff. So that's what the plan is for right now. Could change. I got about 10 minutes to make the decision before the people get back doing the car spot, because they're doing it either way. So I think I might hang with my friends and do some pond action. That way I can put some waterproof boots on and maybe some pants to kind of take it easy. So who knows? It's like I said, this is a totally open weekend. But got some video of the library, and that's where we're hanging out. It's kind of dark in there, so hopefully it comes out okay. And probably gonna have to switch to the GoPro because of the rain. It is what it is, right? Is the trailhead for the Kidney Pond, and I can't believe it doesn't have anything listed about double head or double top. I think it's double top, double head. I don't know. You know me, never know where I'm going, what I'm doing. But it is kind of crappy. Slaughter Pond. I don't know where that name comes from, but about a 6-mile loop. I think we got a little road walk on the way back, but I'm not really sure because I'm just following today. Draper Pond, we're looking for moose. We can call this Unknown Pond of Maine. Yeah, that would work too. Isn't it easier just and funner just to make up names though?
Must be Deer Pond.
Deer Pond.
Oh, 1.5 away from the pond.
Yeah.
It's on 1.6.
Yeah, because when we come back here, we'll take a left, and this will bring us just on the other side of that bridge we crossed going to Kidney Pond.
Yeah, see some historic junk. So here we are, almost to Slaughter Pond. So we gotta be quiet, so maybe we can see a moose. We've been by 2 ponds and haven't seen anything yet, but so the moose hunt continues. Here we go. Wish us luck. Well now, not really sure what this is about. It's a used car lot, used canoe lot. Just everywhere. Holy crap. Guess we can't use that one.
I don't think he's alive.
He's probably cold.
Yeah.
He's not, did you touch him?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he's alive. His tongue just came out.
Hello, little guy. There he goes.
It's a break his tongue.
He doesn't let go. You have to hack off Anthony's fingers.
Oh, I can't hold it steady. And
This is so strange. The map indicated nothing about any of this.
he must be cold. That's why he's not moving, because they slow down to nothing. He's coming to get you.
He's going under the rock. Gonna do this. Seems legit. That's
Some Maine ingenuity there, huh? Go for it. I should give you my give the camera and let me film me. So I might be going in. Now there's the video.
Yes.
His friends were lucky that he was slow and Jake and Aaron were there. Because they just went away and they were just sitting
Here we are down at Abol Falls. Been hiking this morning, out moose hunting on the ponds, and then came back, had some lunch, and then just 0.8 out of the campground. We were staying right in Abol Campground, came down, check out the falls. Pretty cool. A little bit smaller than I expected, but about a 10-footer, which is cool. And anyways, back off to the campsite to probably eat dinner, and then call it a early night because we're doing Katahdin tomorrow. All 3 peaks and Knife's Edge, so it should be a fun day. Weather's hopefully will hold out. We'll see anyways. Well, anyway, get back down to the campsite. So that might be good.
Well, I told her Ranger Dave
So she could be
is
talking.
here.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna be
She
down there
knows.
all day.
Yeah, she'll be there all day.
You got this.
Throw it in the fire.
Yeah.
Get it back on the heat and shake it and shake it and shake it.
No, I haven't done this. I don't
Got
know.
it.
No, shake it.
Like polar picture.
Okay, I would pull it back from the fire. It's on fire again.
Jesus fucking, it's in my...
Now that good call putting the cardboard in the fire. At least it giving me light to film it.
So I shake it?
You gotta
I don't
shake
know.
it hard.
At this
You
point, I
gotta
don't
shake it.
know.
Use your towel.
Use the towel and shake it so you
Does
hear the kernels
burnt
move.
Jiffy Pop smell as bad as burnt microwave popcorn?
Couldn't tell. We're gonna find out. You gotta shake it.
There. Oh, shit. The squirrels
open.
are happy.
Because
it's open.
So that you're screwed. If it's open, you're done. It's not
Yeah,
gonna
just-
blow up.
Yeah, pull it up. I see a lot of burnt.
Aww.
We tried.
I didn't know you had to take it off.
I'm like, what's wrong with this picture?
I don't make Jiffy Pop, so
Well, it's been a long time for
Can
me.
I just dump it in the fire?
Yeah.